Welcome to the EMCOOLS ArticCore Cooling Vest Set Maintenance Guide. This video provides a step-by-step overview of how to properly clean, care for, and store your ArticCore Vest, ECPads, hydration bladder, and the carrier bag. Proper maintenance ensures long-lasting performance, hygiene, and maximum cooling efficiency for every use. Caring for the ArticCore Vest after use. After each session, begin by removing all ECPads from the ArticCore Vest. Ensure the vest is completely empty before cleaning. Shake the vest gently to remove any loose dust or debris. The ArticCore Vest is made with durable, breathable materials, designed for frequent use across industrial, sports, and high-heat environments. Washing instructions: use mild soap or a neutral detergent if needed. If a deeper clean is required, place the vest inside a laundry bag to provide additional protection in washing machine. Avoid harsh chemicals, bleach, or strong solvents, as these may damage the insulation layer and affect long-term performance. After washing, hang the vest in a shaded, well-ventilated area to allow it to air dry naturally. Avoid tumble dryers or any form of high heat, as excessive temperatures may affect the insulation materials and overall durability of the vest. For best results, always refer to the washing and drying instructions printed on the product label. These care guidelines are specific to the ArticCore Vest materials and ensure long-term performance and safety. Before the next use, inspect all pockets, stitching, and Velcro areas. Ensure there are no tears or loose seams. If you observe any damage, contact EMCOOLS or your distributor for guidance. Maintaining the ECPads after use. Next, let's look at the maintenance of the ECPads, the core cooling component of the ArticCore system. After each use, remove the ECPads from the vest. Do not fold, bend, or attempt to break the cooling element while frozen. The pads are engineered with hypocarbon phase change technology, designed to deliver consistent cooling performance when treated correctly. Once thawed, wipe the external TPU casing with a soft cloth. You may use mild soap or alcohol wipes to remove sweat, dirt, or surface residue. After cleaning, air dry the pads fully before placing them back into the freezer. Store the pads flat in the freezer, never folded or squeezed. Ensure they are placed in a clean and dedicated freezer compartment. For best performance, freeze the ECPads for a minimum of 5 to 6 hours before use. Before each use, inspect the pads for punctures, leaks, or abnormal swelling. If you notice any damage, stop using the pad immediately and replace it. Proper care allows each ECPads to maintain its cooling properties across repeated freeze-thaw cycles. Cleaning the hydration bladder. The hydration bladder is a key accessory for maintaining hydration and prolonging cooling duration during work or sports. Cleaning it after every use is essential. Begin by emptying all remaining water. Open the cap or wide mouth opening and allow it to drain fully. Rinse the interior with warm water. Use a mild, non-perfumed dish soap if necessary. Shake it and let some water through the tube. Let it soak for 20 minutes. For more thorough cleaning, hydration bladder brush kits may be used to reach internal corners and the drinking tube. Rinse several times to ensure no soap residue remains. Residue can affect the taste of the next refill and may encourage bacterial growth. Detach the drinking tube and bite valve. Flush water through the tube and the bite valve until it runs clear. Prop open the bladder to allow complete air drying. You can also put a paper towel inside to make sure it's not stick together. Avoid direct sunlight or placing it near heat sources, as these can deform the material. Ensure the tube also dries fully, as moisture can lead to mold formation. If you are in a high humidity environment, the empty hydration bladder may also be stored in the freezer. This helps prevent moisture retention and effectively eliminates the risk of mold formation. Once completely dry, reassemble and store in a clean, dry environment. Maintaining the carrier bag. The final component is the carrier bag, designed to store and transport your full ArticCore set. Use a damp cloth to wipe the exterior. The bag material is durable, but should be kept free from oil, dirt, and chemical spills. Open all compartments and remove any loose items. Vacuum if needed to remove dust, and wipe internal surfaces with a mild detergent wipe. Allow to air dry completely before storing any equipment. Check zippers regularly to ensure smooth operation. Inspect seams and handles for wear and tear. Store the bag in a cool, dry environment. Avoid compressing the bag under heavy loads to maintain shape and durability. By following these simple maintenance steps, you will extend the lifespan of your ArticCore cooling vest set and ensure consistent, reliable cooling performance. For further support, replacement parts, or additional training materials, please contact us at EMCOOLS or visit our website. Thank you for choosing EMCOOLS.